Welcome back to my channel. If you've ever felt lost, frustrated, or even ready to quit trading Forex, trust me, I've been there. In today's video, I'm going to share my personal Forex journey, how I went from total confusion to finally finding consistency in my trading results. And I'm not here to sell a dream. I'll share the real struggles, the turning points, and the lessons that changed everything for me. So grab a drink, relax, and let's dive in. Part 1, the beginning, confused and overwhelmed. When I first discovered Forex trading, I thought it was the easiest way to make money online. Charts looked exciting, YouTubers were making crazy profits, and I was like, yeah, I can do this too. But oh boy, reality hit fast. I opened my first live account without a real plan. I jumped into trades based on what I saw on Instagram or Telegram signals. Sometimes I'd win, most times I'd lose. I didn't understand risk management. I didn't know why I was taking a trade, and I was chasing profits instead of mastering the process. It got to a point where I had more blown accounts than I could count, and honestly, I almost quit trading completely. PRT2, the turning point. Then one day, after another painful loss, I realized something. If I kept doing the same thing, I'd keep getting the same results. That's when I made a decision to stop gambling and start treating trading like a skill. I went back to the basics. I studied market structure and price action. I learned how to read the charts, not just copy signals. I practiced risk management, risking 1% per trade, no matter how perfect the setup looked. And most importantly, I started journaling every single trade, the reason I entered, how I felt, and what I learned. That was the beginning of my transformation. PRT3, finding consistency. Consistency didn't come overnight. It took months of discipline, backtesting, and accepting losses without emotions. But slowly, I began to notice something. I wasn't losing as much anymore. My wins were getting cleaner, my losses were smaller, and my confidence grew with every trade. I started trading with a clear plan, and I stopped trying to catch every move in the market. Instead of asking, how much can I make today? I started asking, did I follow my trading plan today? That mindset shift changed everything. And that's when I realized consistency isn't about winning every trade. It's about staying disciplined every single day. Part 4, key lessons I learned. Let me share a few lessons that truly changed my trading. Patience is everything. You don't need to trade every day. Sometimes, the best trade is no trade. Risk small, live long. Protecting your capital is more important than chasing profits. Have a trading plan. Know when you'll enter, when you'll exit, and what invalidates your setup. Control your emotions. Fear and greed are the biggest account killers, not the market. Stay consistent, not perfect. Perfection doesn't exist in trading. Consistency does. PRT5, conclusion. If you're in that messy, frustrating phase right now, don't give up. It's part of your story. Every great trader went through it, including me. If this video inspired you, hit that like button and comment below. Where are you right now in your trading journey, beginner, learning, or consistent? And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more Forex tutorials, strategies, and mindset videos to help you grow as a trader. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.